Hi there, my name is Vince, and it's nice to see you. Now, enough of the pleasantries, because I know why you're here. We got a stacking Milwaukee tool deal for you, and it's for a limited time. So open your eyeballs and ear holes, or I promise you will miss this one. Now, first I'm going to share some of my favorite M12 tool deals that are running right now, and later I will share how to stack more savings on top, like a sprinkling of a cherry or sprinkles, or if you're like in North Jersey, you're in Philadelphia, you're going to call them jimmies, okay? You're going to get a whole bunch of jimmies in this tool deal. We got a huge promotion, is basically what I'm trying to say. First up, you'll get a free M12 battery or bare tool with the purchase of select M12 kits. Here's the deal. You have a huge selection of qualifying M12 kits. There's something for everyone. For the auto mechanics, there's the 3/8 stubby impact or the M12 1/4-inch right angle die grinder kit. Even the Fuel Insider extended ratchet is in there. For the carpenters, you have the 5 3/8 Fuel circular saw or the M12 Fuel oscillating multi-tool. For the electricians or plumbers, Milwaukee has the Fuel compact bandsaw in there. There's a lot of choices, even beyond what I've pointed out. When you buy a qualifying kit, you'll get your choice of either the M12 high output XC 5.0 battery or one of these free bare tools. My first choice for these free bare tools would be the battery. I definitely take the grease gun next, but the most versatile would be the cutoff tool. Last but not least would be the inflator, but that's just me. That's the way I would take it and in the order. Next up, when you buy this M12 ProPress tool, you'll get a free M12 copper tubing cutter kit via e-rebate. It's pretty cool, I like it. Next up, you'll get a free M12 battery with select M12 tools. My favorite here is definitely the M12 Bluetooth radio charger and the soldering iron. Once again, there's a lot to choose from here, but buy one of the qualifying tools and you'll get a free CP 2.0 battery. Okay, we're almost halfway through the deals. Which do you like best so far, and which deals are you hoping for in the second half of this video? Put it in the comments. While you're down there, join the notification squad by leaving the comment first. And if you are indeed first, you will be nominated for an illustrious title and possibly win an award. Let's move on. When you buy one of these select M12 lights, Milwaukee throws in their new high output CP 2.5 battery. That combo will give you all the lumens. All right, here goes. This is how this deal will stack. From now until noon on Friday, when you spend $199 or more on all in-stock Milwaukee M12, you'll get an additional high-output CP 2.5 amp-hour battery or one of these bare tools for free. Best part is this will stack on top of the other M12 promotions. That's huge M12 savings. The matter of fact, it's the deepest discounts and the biggest savings we've seen all year. I know what you're thinking. How is this deal even possible? Milwaukee had 100 or so open box bare tools and around 100 M12 high output open box batteries. These batteries will come to you in their retail packaging, but the tools, although they're virtually brand new and come with their full Milwaukee warranty, will be in a bag and no box. But heck, you're getting them for free for a limited time, and I don't need no stinking box. Remember, the items have to be in stock, and the additional savings will only work for the first 200 or so shoppers that take advantage for a limited time. Make sure to use the YouTube shopping button to follow along and score these deals. For those of you that are YouTube shopping button illiterate but want to learn, depending on which device you're watching on, all of the deals will show up in different spots. For instance, if you are watching on a computer, the products will be below in the description. If you watch on a mobile phone, there'll be a little button in the lower left-hand corner of the video. Even if you're watching on a television or a TV, as the kids call it, there will be a QR code to scan and score these deals. It's so much easier. But for the old timers that don't like change, links in the description. And by some chance, you are tuning in after this deal has expired, don't feel dejected or even neglected. You should get the feeling of subscription and the feeling of allowing all notifications. That way, you don't ever miss the next huge tool deal. You should never pay full price for tools ever again. Let me know what deal you stacked up down in the comments. And if you like saving big money on Milwaukee tools, then hit the like button, please. And if you haven't seen enough Milwaukee tools just yet, check out this next video. You're gonna love it.